Welcome to a deep dive institutional analysis of silver, XAGUSD. Please watch the full video for the complete strategic breakdown. We are currently observing a significant structural shift on the H1 timeframe. Following a decisive rejection from the premium supply cluster between 89.00 and 90.00, the market has transitioned into a bearish regime. Multiple break of structure (BOS) events confirm that sellers are dominating the flow, driving price toward discounted liquidity. Our current focus is on the primary entry zone located between 79.00 and 80.00. We are waiting for mitigation here, specifically looking for bearish price action to confirm a continuation of the impulsive downside move. Our invalidation level is strictly set at 82.00. If price breaks this level, our current bearish bias changes and we must reevaluate the structural narrative. Regarding our objectives, we have mapped out 3 liquidity targets based on historical demand zones. In Scenario 1, we expect price to clear liquidity at T1, located at 72.50. Scenario 2 targets the mid-demand zone at T2, which sits at 70.00. If momentum persists, Scenario 3 looks toward T3 at 67.00. However, the 70.00 to 72.00 region represents a strong structural floor where a pullback strong bullish reaction could occur, offering a secondary entry zone for long-term recovery toward 88.00. The prevailing strategy is to capitalize on pullback opportunities rather than chasing the current lows. Monitoring how price interacts with the 72.00 demand level is critical for determining the next expansion phase. We remain patient, letting price come to our zones of interest before engaging. This is an educational video, not investment advice. Always manage your risk according to your institutional framework. Follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon. We look forward to seeing how these structural plays develop in the coming sessions.